Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. So I'm in Albuquerque, and one thing that we see here in our local market, and I have it on good authority from our customers that they see this too in all throughout the country, is in particular on Craigslist, you'll see these little companies that are these joke companies that are offering, a bounce house and a cotton candy machine for the entire weekend for $75. Well, of course, you and I know that those companies aren't going to be in business in a year or two, right? That's just not a sustainable way to run a business. But it does put pressure on us, right? It makes us feel like we have to try to compete with those companies on price. Not a good idea. Very first thing that I learned when I started at ERS is compete on professionalism, reliability, reputation. You can charge, middle of the road or even maybe in the higher end of the range if you're doing it that way. Now, another thing that you can do to give yourself a leg up on your competition is to service a pretty wide service area. So if you're willing to drive 30, 40, 50 miles for an event, well, that's great, right? That expands your potential customer base. But of course, you need to be able to recoup your costs. So we're big fans of travel fees. That's, in our view, the best way to do that. I mean, it's simple, right? You have to drive an extra long distance, you pay a travel fee. And people get that. Most people don't scoff at that. They understand that you have expenses that you have to recoup. So even better if you've got a system that can automate that for you. So we've created a couple of videos that show how the ERS system can automate your travel fee by city, zip code, and or mile. And you can watch that by clicking on the link in this corner up here. So hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.